Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinku, and in today's video I will be reviewing a new product. I don't even know whether it's new or not, that new or not, because I'm gonna review a Biotic product. Biotic is kind of a new company. This is not that famous like Maybelline and all, and still it has a great range of products for all kind of skins. And this today I will be reviewing this Biotic Botanicals Bio Morning Nectar Flawless Face Wash. This is such a long name, but this is such a great face wash. So if you wanna see how this face wash works for my skin, please keep on watching. So this is the actual packaging of the product. This looks like this, a white body of this tube, and it's almost finished because this is kind of my winter favorites, and I'm using it since one month, and I'm gonna repurchase this product very soon. And it says Biotic Botanicals. This is their logo, and Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extracts, and Bio Morning Nectar Flawless Face Wash prevents dark spots. Well, it actually prevents dark spots, guys. I got lot many dark spots, and this prevented not that fast, but yes, it worked quite well. So this is for all skin types, but I would suggest it to especially dry skin, because I have a dry skin, like combination kind of skin. This works really well for my skin because this is kind of a moisturizing face wash. It leaves your face really smooth after washing. You don't need to apply a moisturizer after this. As it's winter, I use moisturizer, and so it contains margosa leaf extract, winter cherry root extract, moon seed extract, honey, coconut oil, rita fruit, purified water. So it's totally, you know, a natural product. So you don't need to worry about your skin at all. And It says organically pure and preservative free. That's a great thing. And dermatologist tested for safety, no animal testing. Guys, I am a person, I am a fan of doggies, and I had doggies, but they are no more. So leaving everything apart, they don't do animal testing. That's a great thing, and it is totally organic. So for a long term, you need to move toward the more natural part, because that's gonna help you, because no chemicals can make your skin that natural and glowy. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna show you the texture. This is the texture of the product. It is kind of a thick kind of foamy face wash, and blends so well, and cleanses your skin very well, and it smells like wonder. It smells like insane. It is such a wonderful fragrance I have ever got in a face wash. And after washing your face, you will get this mild scent, and that's really awesome. So overall, thumbs up for this face wash from my side. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button if you also like this face wash, and if you have already used this, let me know in the comment box if you like this face wash or not. And yeah, please give it a try. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and so yeah, and also connect to my other social medias. The links are in the bottom bar. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, and bye bye. Have a great day.